Today, we're diving into something truly special, the grand opening of Apple's first ever store in Malaysia. Buckle up, because we're about to witness history. So, my fellow tech adventurers, if you're in Kuala Lumpur, grab your passport, okay? Maybe just your MyCAD. Head to the Exchange TRX and soak in the Apple vibes. Trust me, it's more than a store, it's a portal to endless possibilities. Now I am at level to look at the crowd. Apple opens its first store. Guess who joined the marketing war? There is a guy presenting on the tools for video editing. THT is built in with the laptop. If you are into video edition, Apple will be a perfect choice for you. I am not so interested, but I would like to go to level 3 to see the top view from the top. Let's go outdoor and see the view from the outside. It is a sunny day, but look how beautiful of the surrounding with the tall skyscraper. This building is codename Exchange 106, and if you have not visited this mall called TRX, you can view the link at the top right corner. Thanks for watching my video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep your gadgets charged. Until next time, stay curious.